2026 is shaping up to be a landmark year for crypto. With innovation surging and new projects launching every week, the opportunities for growth are unlike anything we've seen before. But navigating the world of digital assets can be overwhelming, right? That's exactly where x2Crypto steps in. x2Crypto is designed to be your all-in-one gateway to the crypto universe. The platform's clean, intuitive interface means you don't have to be a developer or chart wizard to get involved. Everything you need is right at your fingertips. Track your portfolio, access trending coins, and dive into real-time analytics, all with just a few clicks. But here's what makes x2Crypto stand out: their powerful referral system. Invite your friends with a single link, and every time they join and interact, you both earn rewards. It's a win-win designed to help the entire community grow together. Imagine building your own network while boosting your crypto potential, all from your dashboard. Getting started? It's straightforward. Just click the referral link in the description, sign up in minutes, and you're ready to explore a world of crypto possibilities. No complicated forms, no unnecessary steps, just genuine access to the future of finance. So if you're ready to take your crypto journey to the next level, check out x2Crypto today. Click the link below and join the revolution. But remember, crypto investing carries risks. Only invest what you can afford to lose, and always do your own research. Happy trading!